How to fix the Roblox mobile crashing. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Roblox mobile crashing. Tap on the very Play Store or App Store application. On the top search bar you need to search for Roblox. After you search for the Roblox, just tap on it. Tap on the very eye icon and make sure it is auto updated and there is no inappropriate flag right here. So yes, if you have already done so, then you can simply go to the setting option and then go to the apps option and search for the Roblox right here. Tap on the Roblox option from here, go to the storage option, make sure you clear all the data and clear all the cache from here. After you do that, go to the very force stop option, which is already force stopped in my case. Now it shows remove permission if app is unused, which you should be disabling, and make sure all the permissions are given to camera, contacts, microphone and everything. Go to the mobile data and make sure you give the all your background data uses to Roblox from here, and then you can simply go back and solve your problem just like that. Also go to the battery section and make sure it is not on the restricted side. Tap on the optimized side. If it is done, then you are also done. That's how you can solve your problem. Now just power on your phone and again reinstall your Roblox and log into your account and it should solve your problem. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.